Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Sketchbook and importing the photo. This gets you into the workspace fast. Once the image loads, make a duplicate layer so you can compare edits and undo without losing the original. If the app asks for permissions, grant photos and storage access now, because edits require reading and saving. Make sure to set canvas size if you need a specific resolution, and position the image with pinch and drag so your main subject sits in frame. You next perform the core adjustments. Crop and straighten to improve composition, then use transform to correct perspective. Once done, move to tonal changes, exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows, because these define mood and detail. Use the brush for selective dodging or burning, and the erase to refine edges. Work on a new layer for non-destructive edits. Also, apply subtle saturation and white balance tweaks, and zoom in to check sharpness and noise before proceeding. You finish by reviewing layers and deciding whether to flatten or keep them for later edits. Save a PSD if you plan further work. Then export the final file, pick JPG for photos or PNG for transparency, set quality and output size, and name the file clearly. Once exported, verify colors and edges on another device if possible. If something goes wrong, reset the problematic tool or restart the app. That often clears temporary glitches and preserves your exported file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.